On Chicago streets tonight after a judge finds a police officer not guilty in the shooting death of an unarmed woman.
Eyewitness News reporter Diane Patthew live at the criminal courts building where the family of Rekia Boyd erupted in anger when that verdict was announced today. Diane?
That's right, Ron and Kathy. After just 4 days, a Cook County judge finds a Chicago police detective charged with killing an unarmed woman not guilty on all charges. A group of protesters hit the streets tonight, marching against Cook County Judge Dennis Porter's decision today. Chicago police detective Dante Servin walked out of court a free man. Outside, an emotional group of family, friends, and supporters of Rekia Boyd followed after him, shouting, "Murderer." Judge Porter found Servin not guilty on charges he fatally shot Boyd, who was unarmed.
The motion for a directed finding is granted. There is a finding of not guilty on all counts, and the defendant is discharged.
Servin, talking to cameras after the decision, maintained his innocence.
Any police officer especially would have reacted in the exact same manner that I reacted, and I'm glad to be alive. I saved my life that night.
In March of 2012, 22-year-old Rekia Boyd was walking to a store with 3 friends near Douglas Park. Prosecutors say that Servin, who was off duty, was upset over noise and told the group to quiet down. After exchanging words, Servin, sitting in his car, fired 5 shots over his shoulder. Boyd was hit in the head from behind and killed. Her boyfriend, Antonio Cross, was hit in the thumb.
He got out the car and shot my daughter. It was a quarter-size hole in the back of her head, and her brains were all over the alley.
In a statement released today, State's Attorney Anita Alvarez says, quote, "I'm extremely disappointed by the judge's ruling. The State's Attorney's Office brought charges in this case in good faith and only after a very careful legal analysis of the evidence as well as the specific circumstances of this crime." And Ron, Chicago police tell us tonight that Detective Servin will remain stripped of his police powers until the Independent Police Review Authority finishes their investigation.